top 10 must-visit places in Europe. Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Yemi Travel Channel. Today we're covering the top 10 places you've just got to see on your European adventure, from the cobbled lanes of Prague to the sun-drenched Greek Isles. So get ready to pack your bags and let's get going. Europe's waiting. Number 10. Paris, France. The City of Lights. Picture yourself strolling along the Seine, baguette in hand, with the Eiffel Tower shimmering. Explore the Louvre's masterpieces, from the Mona Lisa's smile to the Winged Victory. Duck into a cozy cafe for a café crème and a croissant, or get lost in the bohemian maze of Montmartre. Trust me, Paris is best savored slowly, so soak it all in. Number 9. The Swiss Alps, Switzerland. Nature's majesty. Imagine soaring peaks piercing the clouds, crystal-clear lakes reflecting the sky, and charming villages nestled in lush valleys. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or need fresh mountain air, the Swiss Alps will leave you speechless. For an unforgettable experience, hop on the Glacier Express. Number 8. Venice, Italy. The floating city. This is a place where time seems to stand still, where gondolas replace cars, and where romance hangs in the air. Get lost in the labyrinthine streets and discover hidden bridges, charming squares, and vibrant markets. Don't miss the iconic St. Mark's Square, with its stunning Basilica and the Doge's Palace. Treat yourself to a gondola ride. It's worth every euro to experience this magical city from the water. Number 7. Athens, Greece, where history comes alive. This is the birthplace of democracy, the cradle of Western civilization, and a city that's steeped in history and mythology. Explore the ancient Agora, where everyday life unfolded centuries ago, and wander through the fascinating archaeological museum. Athens is also a vibrant modern city with delicious food, lively markets, and a welcoming atmosphere. Number 6. Barcelona, Spain, Gaudi's playground. Barcelona pulsates with life, from bustling markets and sun-drenched beaches to world-class art and architecture. Marvel at Antoni Gaudi's whimsical creations. Stroll down Las Ramblas, where street performers, flower stalls, and cafes create a lively atmosphere. Sample some tapas and sangria. They're practically mandatory. Number 5. Berlin, Germany. From history to hipster haven. Once divided by a wall, Berlin has emerged as a symbol of unity, creativity, and edgy cool. Visit the Brandenburg Gate, a symbol of German reunification, and reflect upon the sobering history of the Holocaust Memorial. Check out the East Side Gallery, where the Berlin Wall has been transformed into an open-air art gallery. Prepare to be captivated by the sheer beauty of Santorini, our number 4 pick. This Greek island is the stuff of postcards, with its whitewashed villages perched atop dramatic cliffs overlooking the Aegean Sea. Watch the sunset over the caldera. It's a spectacle that will stay with you long after you've left. Just be sure to pack your camera. You'll be snapping photos left and right. Number 3. Rome, Italy. The Eternal City. This is the Eternal City, a place where ancient history collides with modern life in the most captivating way. Stand in awe of the Colosseum, imagining the gladiatorial combats of old. Toss a coin in the Trevi Fountain, ensuring your return to this magical city. Savor a scoop of gelato, enjoy a leisurely lunch in a piazza, and simply soak in the atmosphere of this unforgettable city. Number 2. Amsterdam, Netherlands. Canals, culture, and cannabis. Known for its canals, bicycles, and its relaxed stance on certain substances, Amsterdam offers a unique travel experience. Visit the Anne Frank House, a poignant reminder of World War II history. Immerse yourself in the city's vibrant art scene at the Rijksmuseum or the Van Gogh Museum. Number 1. Prague, Czech Republic, a fairy tale city. This fairy tale city continues to enchant visitors with its stunning architecture, historic squares, and romantic ambiance. Walk across the Charles Bridge, lined with Baroque statues, and make a wish at the statue of St. John of Nepomuc. Explore Prague Castle, a sprawling complex of palaces, churches, and gardens. Get lost in the charm of Old Town Square, with its astronomical clock and colorful buildings. Well, there you have it, our whirlwind tour of Europe's top 10 destinations. From the grandeur of Paris to the charm of Prague, Europe offers something for every traveler. Europe is a continent begging to be explored, so get out there, get lost, and discover your own favorites. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.